MH Rayon Embroidery Thread, MH Polyester Embroidery Thread, MH Embroidery Thread Factory, trustworthy. Raw yarn tested before producing. High producing capacity, 30x 40 foot HQ/month, advanced winding machines. Data color reader, precision color measurement. Auto liquid dispensing and transportation system, accurate color dyeing. Fongs and these dyeing and drying machines, bright color with high color fastness. High-speed winding machine, evenly silicone oiling. Auto packing system. Quality guaranteed. Lab testing for thread length, lab testing for thread tension, lab testing for thread unwinding, lab testing for washing color fastness, embroidery testing, suitable for all high-speed embroidering machines. OEKO-TEX certification, ISO 9001 certification. MH Embroidery Thread, quality guaranteed, fast delivery.